In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FTMO MT4. If you're brand new to MetaTrader 4, don't worry. This walkthrough is designed to get you trading confidently on your FTMO account. First, let's get comfortable with the layout. On the left, you'll find Market Watch, which lists currency pairs and shows live bid and ask prices. This is your menu for what you can trade. The large area in the center is the chart window, where you'll analyze price action, draw trend lines, and keep an eye on movement. Below that, the terminal is your command center. It displays your balance, equity, open trades, and your running profit or loss. You'll also see the navigator, where your accounts, indicators, and tools are organized for quick access. These four areas are the ones you'll use every day. To connect your FTMO account, open MT4 and go to File, then log in to Trade Account. Enter your login, password, and the correct server provided by FTMO. Once connected, check the terminal to confirm your balance appears. That's your sign everything is linked correctly. Next, open a chart so you can start analyzing. In Market Watch, right-click a pair like EUR/USD and select Chart Window. Use the time frame buttons to switch between views such as M1, M5, or H1, depending on how detailed you want the picture to be. You can zoom in or out and choose candlesticks to see price action more clearly. If you want to add a quick indicator now, you can, but we'll also cover indicators in more detail shortly. When you're ready to place a trade, press F9 or right-click the chart and choose New Order. Set your lot size, which determines your position size, and define your stop loss and take profit, so your risk and target are clear before execution. Choose Buy if you expect price to rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. You can place market orders for immediate execution or pending orders if you want price to trigger your trade at a specific level. To close a trade, open the terminal and go to the Trade tab. Right-click the position and select Close Order, or click the small X on the far right. Keep monitoring your trades in the terminal. You'll see real-time profit or loss, your entry price, lot size, and any active stop loss or take profit levels. This is where you track and manage everything during a position. For technical analysis, go to Insert, then Indicators. You can choose trend tools like moving average or oscillators such as RSI and MACD. Add only what you understand so your chart stays readable. A few beginner tips. Start with small lot sizes. Try the FTMO free trial to practice. Always use a stop loss. And focus on just one or two pairs while you build consistency.